Stock investing for beginners. S&P 500 jumped over 1.9% on April 27. Dow Jones jumped over 1.5%. Nasdaq jumped over 2.4%. How do you know that it's a bull market? You will see stock market going down one day, but it went back up at the close. Then you will see the stock market went down one day over 1.5%, but the next day you will see stock market went back up again over 2.43%. Then you know it's a bull market. Bear market is the opposite directions. You will see stock price going up one day, the next day it went back down again. You will see the stock price goes up a little bit, then it closed down. If you see consecutive day of the stock market going down, it's a bear market. If you see consecutive days of stock market going up, you can say it's a bull market. If you are in a bull market, it's better to use bull market strategies. I use bull market strategy options trading, advanced option tradings, and I made over 1,700 in one day on April 27. That's incredible. Of course, if the market went back down, you can lose money. So that's why you should use your strategy based on the market. If it's bull market, use more bull market strategy. If it's a bear market, use more bear market strategy. April 27, my unrealized gain was over 2,500. So my total gain, realized gain plus unrealized gain, is over 4,200 in one day. In just one day. Always try to trade as little as possible. I see so many traders spending so many hours trading stocks and options every day. Then you are becoming a slave to the trading. I usually trade only about an hour every day when I'm traveling around the world. Of course, at the beginning, you need to study hard. You need to study like 8 hours a day, 9 hours a day, every day. You make money, you study. You lose money, you also study. Every day, it doesn't matter. Losing money and making money should not have any effect on the pace of your study, your discipline, your motivations. Remember that. These are the exceptional results. Most people may not get these results, and most people may not work hard to get these results. Remember, all investment have risk. Invest or trade only what you can afford to lose. Even if you put your money in the bank, you can lose money. There is no guarantee in life. This video is not for financial advice. Today we're going to talk about Meta, Microsoft, stock analysis, and call option that made me over 1,700 in one day, and how to trade call options. Meta jumped over 13% in one day. Why? 2 months ago, I talked about Meta stock. 3 main reasons why Meta stock would jump. You can go and watch this video. It's on February 7, 2023. Meta, it was only $188 at the time. Look at this now. $240 is 27% jump in 2 months. So if you invested $1,000, you will have made over $270 within 2 months. $10,000 over 2,700 within 2 months. That's pretty good return. If you get 10% return in any investment, real estate, stocks, in every year, that's really good already. But if you get over 20%, that's crazy good. Why did Meta stock jump? Meta reported earnings for the quarter, and they said that the company forecasted that second quarter numbers could be higher than analyst consensus. Remember, it's always about expectation. If the company reports numbers above expectation, the stock could jump. If the company's guidance is above expectation, the stock could also jump. It's really important to invest in great companies, not because stock going up. A good reason why you invest in stock is because of the company and underlying business, not because the stock is going up or going down. Last year, Meta stock, all the technology stock were down. But I kept buying all these stock because I knew that their business fundamentals are stay really good and it could bounce back again. And a lot of people did not buy all the technology stock. They only buy one stock goes up at the top, then they sell at the bottom. So that's why they lose money. When the stock going down, or they get panic. Oh, I need to sell the stock before I lose money. Then they lose money. And when they buy, it's already too late. Stock start to go down again. They only made little gain, but they lost a lot. Never do like that. Always invest in a company because of the underlying business. Meta has been cutting costs, especially this year. Last year, they learned a lesson. They invested quite a lot in Metaverse. So they got punished by the investor. A lot of investors dumped their share because they were investing in useless projects that were not making money. Economy was slowing down. Federal Reserve was raising interest rate. This year they cut a lot of expenses and they laid off a lot of people. Investors like it, and Mark Zuckerberg said that they're gonna focus on efficiency. And since then, this Meta stock took up. If you look at it, the guidance to learn between 29.5 billion to 32 billion. And also a lot of analysts raised their price target 250 to 300. And from Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan raised the price target from 270 to 305. They only raise price target after stock jumps. It's always been the case. So never follow analysts blindly. You need to do your own analysis. It's best if you can invest in stocks before analysts upgrade, because when analysts upgrades, a lot of people start to buy, you already lose a lot of the gains. The company reported strong results once they posted a beat on the top and bottom line. Top line means revenue, bottom line means net income. So remember, it's always very important that you have a top line and the bottom line. They have to be going up. Earnings per share 2.2, beating estimate of 2.03. That's quite a lot. And revenue of 28.65 billion versus 27.65 billion. So they beat the expectation. Everybody was expecting the Meta to report bad numbers for the first quarter, but they reported really good numbers. So that's why it jumped. How about Microsoft stock? Microsoft stock jumped over 8% over the past 5 days. Look at that. Why? It jumps because of earnings and bullish AI outlook. But there was one bad news. Microsoft planned to buy Activision Blizzard, the game company, was blocked by UK regulator. So that means they cannot buy this company, which is bad news. But when you have so many revenue streams coming in, investors tend to ignore that. You don't have to worry about it. Even if you lose one deal, you still have a lot of money coming in. So it's really important for you to diversify your income. Do not rely on just your job. You do stock investing, stock trading, option trading, real estate. A lot of businesses you can start on the side when you are still working full time. Look at the Microsoft. Microsoft price target was raised to 335 by Goldman Sachs, and it was raised to 335 by Morgan Stanley as well. Outlook was good, the numbers reported were good. That's why the Microsoft stock jumped. And it reported EPS of 2.45 per share versus 2.23 per share, beat the expectations. Revenue 52.86 versus 51.02 billion. Beat the expectation as well. So that's why Microsoft stock jumped. Look at this. Microsoft started as Windows OEM. Everybody started to know about Microsoft because of Windows. But their Windows business is not doing well. It went down by 28%. But their cloud business is going up by 27%. If you look at it, all the other business lines is going up. That's why Microsoft stock is going up. Remember, it's really important to have multiple income streams. So if your job is not doing well, you don't like your boss, and you're about to get fired, you don't have to worry about it if you have other income streams. So start investing in stocks, real estate, option trading. Next, I'm going to show you the option trade that made me over 1,700 in one day. Let's look at April 27. I made over 1,700. It's all Meta. Meta call option, put options, advanced option. If you are using both call option, put option to gain, you are using advanced options. I used call option, put option to make profits. The invested cost, it was only over 4,000, but I gained over 1,700. So it's close to 40%, which is pretty good. Just like that, I made profits. My principal was only 4,400, which I borrowed from my broker, and my proceed was over 6,000. My gain was over 1,700. So it's around 40% return in one day. Of course, I ended this trade a few weeks before, but I took only about 10 minutes to make this trade, and it just automatically sold because the stock jumped and I put the automatic order. It sold for the profit, which is pretty good. You can use call option. Put option is to protect your downside. So especially when you're trading options, it can be very volatile. You need to get the direction of the stock right. You need to get the timing right. Let's say the stock took so long to go up. Let's say in May 12 or May 20, I would have lost all these options. So remember to cut losses very quickly if the stock doesn't move a lot. Options, you need to have stock moving quite a lot, either direction, either going up or either going down if you're using put options. How to trade call option? Go to my YouTube channel, playlist, look for how to videos, click on it. You're gonna find 1,000 a day trading options, how to buy call options for beginners. Watch that videos. It was uploaded on January 18, 2023. If you have any questions, comment down below, like, share, subscribe. Do you want to retire early? Do you love freedom? Do you want to work only 1 to 2 hours a day while traveling around the world and spend more time with your family? You can start stock investing and option trading right now. If you want to know more about finance, stocks, options, real estate, crypto, check out our playlist. Stock investing, stock trading, option trading, real estate, cryptocurrency.